video is long overdue. I am using my drill, so if you have questions about that, make sure you check out the video that I recently did showing you my drill in details. So before I apply any acrylic or any of that, I go in with my primers, and you could just see me do that here. Now this video is specifically made for a beauty by the name of, and I might mess this up, but it is Liqué Yearby, I'm guessing. But on my video for my candy cane nails, I started with an overlay set and then I just extended it, which is what I am currently wearing now. But this was the first step. So in my downtime, I just wear my nails like this generally, and then when I have a special occasion or a special event, I will go in and extend them, add some glitter, add a design, just like that. So if you haven't seen the candy cane tutorial, make sure you check that out. My nails are basically the same as the candy cane tutorial, except for I use some blue glitter in there. So here in the video, I'm just showing you the different overlay techniques that I do depending on what my nails look like. So I kind of showed you how if the nail is a good length already, I won't use a paper form. If it's kind of misshapen or something like that, I will use a paper form. And if I have no nail at all, if I have a nub going on, then I will use a tip. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do those 3 different steps. So for the first one, this nail is already a good length. It has a nice shape to it. So for this one, I am just going to lay the acrylic on my natural nail. And I have already applied my primers and all of that. So now I'm just going in, and this brush is a cheap brush that I found on eBay or Amazon. I don't remember, but it's super cheap and it's not my favorite. I really need to order me some more alpha brushes. But yeah, I'm just trying out this brush. I think it was like $2, and for that price, it's not bad. I ended up cutting some of the hairs at the tip because I don't like how the hairs come into that little point. So I cut some of the hairs and I like it a lot better now. So I am going to do a tutorial very soon using my practice hand because it is just so much easier to film doing nails on someone else. Doing nails on myself and trying to film it is so complicated. So here you can see that I am just adding ball by ball until I get my desired look. And I feel like these nails didn't come out how I wanted them to come out. And when I redid my nails and extended them and added the blue glitter, they came out beautifully. And I think it's just because when I'm recording, they just don't come out how I want them to come out. But y'all wanted to see it, so I am bringing it to you. But just know that when you do this, just make it look better than this, okay? Really take your time. When I did my nails with the blue glitter, the same way I did the candy cane nails, it took me literally almost all day, but they came out perfectly. So now for the thumbnail, as you can see, it's really short, so I'm using the paper form to help me extend it out. And with braiding, doing sew-ins, making wigs, all of that, it is kind of easier having, you know, shorter nails doing that. That's why I mainly just keep my nails like this if I'm not doing anything. But for my Founders Day for Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, I extended them and added some blue glitter in the same fashion that I did for my candy cane nails. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. But I will do like a similar tutorial on my practice hand so y'all can really get a better look. So I like to start with the tip and then work my way toward the cuticle area, but you can do 1 ball, 4 balls, 3 balls, however you feel it is the easiest for you to do it. So here I'm going in with the second ball of acrylic and I'm just feathering that down toward the tip. You guys have seen me do this over and over again. I must say that my application has extremely improved. So make sure you check out some of my other videos if you want to kind of see where I started at. They're not all bad or anything like that. It really depends on how much time and patience I put into my nails as to how they come out. But for this video, I really just wanted to get these on. I think I had something to do or somewhere to go or something. And when I have my real nails out, they break, they snag. It's just a hot mess. So I really wanted to get this overlay on quickly. And because someone asked me to see it, I decided to just go ahead and film it for you all. So for this nail, as you can see, I'm not really working with much, and to try to put that paper form like up under there, that could be a little painful, so I'm just going to add a tip. These tips I picked up from Sally's. They're probably about $1. So I just put glue in the little well and pressed it on there. Then I cut it with my nail clipper and that part didn't get in there, but then I just went with the drill to kind of blend the tip into the natural nail, and then in the same way I'm just going in and adding that acrylic. I wanted to do my nails with the whole set using tips, but because my natural nails were already a good length, I decided to not cut them all down to use tips. I just left some of them long and just added tips and forms where needed. This one I was kind of struggling with a little bit. It didn't want to stay in focus. Now I'm going to file, and I use this 100-180 file, and I do 1 round with the rough side, 1 round with the smooth side. So here you can kind of see that, and this kind of helps get out, you know, lumps and bumps and all of that. Here I'm showing you that you can go in with the drill, with the safety bit around the cuticle area, but for me sometimes it's just easier to use the hand file. After I go in with both sides of the hand file, I go in with a buffer, and this just helps kind of further smooth everything out so that I can apply my top coat. Now this acrylic is the cover beige, and I still don't like it as much as I like the cover pink.